this InstaMAT Swift session, we're going to take a look at how to easily add dirt to a material using the material effect dirt node, and take advantage of the ambient occlusion intensity slider to properly dial it in. So here we are in the canvas, and what I'd like to do is start adding some dirt to this wood material that I have here, and that's really easy to do. What I can do is go to the top here, and I'm going to enable link category mode. That's going to combine these similar connections together to make it easier to add material effects. And so I'm going to drag a connection off of here to bring up quick search, and I'm going to type in dirt. And so now you can see that it quickly brings up the material effect dirt node, and now I can hit enter to bring that in. So next up, I'm just going to right click on the dirt node and choose preview as 3D material to see the results in my 3D viewport. Now, what I want to do for this video is I just want to make it so that the viewport is a lot larger, and I can easily do that by going to the top here and clicking on this 3D cube. And so now you can see that we've rotated the views and that the 3D viewport is the center of attention in this larger area, and we have the graph down here in the bottom right corner. So now what I want to do is adjust some of these dirt properties. And so I'm just going to increase the dirt level here, and we're going to fill the crevices here of this floor with some dirt. However, you can see we're not getting a very strong effect here. We're not getting as much dirt as I imagine I'd be getting by increasing this dirt level all the way up to 94% in this case. And so the reason why this is happening is because we need to dial in a specific parameter here, and that is the ambient occlusion intensity slider. So if I go ahead and drag this slider over to the right, what that's going to do is utilize more of the ambient occlusion channel that we have coming from this material, this wood floor material. And so you can see if I go ahead and press the C key, we can cycle through the different channels coming from this material. And I can go ahead and find the ambient occlusion channel here. And this is all the contact shadows where light can't travel, all the nooks and crannies where we get some natural looking shadows there where the objects are touching each other. And so what we can do is utilize this channel more so by increasing this ambient occlusion intensity property. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my material view. And so now I can dial this in exactly how I'd like. I can adjust the intensity of the ambient occlusion here, and I can also bring down the dirt level as well, just to get the exact kind of look that I want. So I highly recommend that when you're using the material effect dirt node, that you adjust the ambient occlusion intensity for your particular material. With InstaMAT, adding material effects is easy and intuitive. And if you'd like to learn more about these material effects or how to create your own procedural textures and materials, check out our YouTube channel. Here we have lots of videos covering a wide variety of subjects, ranging from the powerful element graph to the artist-friendly layering project. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaMAT, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.